Hi everybody, my name's Emily and this is a quick yoga flow to boost your energy. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and we're going to meet in a tabletop position. So coming onto your hands and knees, fingers spread wide. Walk your left knee in towards the center of the mat and then extend that right leg back. So your right leg is going to be long behind you, toes are flexed down towards the mat. Either staying here with both hands on the mat or maybe extending that left arm forward. So getting nice and long here. Then on your inhale, we're going to straighten out a little more. On your exhale, knee comes down towards your elbow, rounding the spine. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, hug it in. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, draw it in. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bring it back in. Last time, get as long as you can, and then slowly lower back to the mat. Coming to the other side, so right knee comes towards the center. Inhale to extend that left leg long. Perhaps take your option of extending that right arm forward. On your exhale, slowly draw it in. Inhale to lengthen. 2 more times with your breath. Getting nice and long, and then slowly releasing back down. From here, we're going to come into a downward facing dog. So curling the toes, lifting the hips up and back, lengthening through the spine, really releasing the head and neck, looking down towards your feet. Then we're going to take the feet a little bit wider. So bring them about mat width apart. And then slowly starting to pedal out the heels, so slowly drawing each heel down towards the mat. And then maybe you can begin to walk your feet a little closer in towards one another, eventually meeting so your feet are about hip width apart. From here, we're going to bring that right foot forward, finding a low lunge. So bringing your right hand towards your right thigh. I'm going to slowly start to melt into our lunge here. So your left hand can just be on the floor, maybe up on your fingertips. Just nice easing into it. Connecting with your breath. And then we're going to begin to bring our right hand to our right hip, peeling that shoulder back, that right shoulder back, and then spiraling your chest open towards the right just slightly. Just a slight little twist here. Exhale to release, bring your right hand down to the mat, lengthening through your spine. And then curl the back toes, come up off the back knee. And same thing again, so right hand to your right hip, spiral that chest towards the right, shoulder comes back. And then exhale to release. We're going to step it back to downward dog. Pedal at the heels once again. And then stepping that left leg forward. Left hand comes to your left thigh. Really starting to sink into this stretch. So stretching through the hips, through that right hip flexor. And then coming into that little twist here, so left hand to left hip. Draw that left shoulder back, spiraling your chest towards the left. Take it down, left hand comes down to the mat, really lengthening through your spine. And then curl those right toes, come up off the back knee, left hand to left hip. And then exhale to release left foot, comes back. And then pedal out those heels again. This time, right leg sweeps up, three-legged dog, and then open up your hips, bend the knee, stack right hip on top of left. Draw that right shoulder back down so your shoulders are in line with one another. And then inhale to straighten out that leg, square the hip, and then coming into your warrior two. So spinning the back toes towards the left, cartwheeling your arms up, and then sinking into your hips. Sinking down into that right leg. Shoulders are relaxed. Flipping the front palm, inhale, exalted warrior. Reach that right arm all the way up high. Left arm comes down the back leg. Maybe looking down towards your left foot. Take a big breath in here. And then exhale, cartwheel the hands down to frame the foot. Step it back, downward dog. Inhale, left leg high, bending the knee here, stack the hips. And then straightening it out, squaring the hips, stepping it forward for your warrior two on this side. Cartwheeling the arms up, bending into that front leg. Flip the front palm, inhale for your exalted warrior on this side. Maybe looking down towards your back foot. On your next exhale, cartwheel the hands down, stepping it back, downward dog. One big breath in, long breath out. And then lowering down onto your knees, going to come into a tabletop position. Take a couple cat-cows here. Nice inhale, drop the belly, chest forward. And a nice exhale, round the spine, drop the head. One more round here of cat and cow. Then we're going to sit back on the heels. Bring your hands down to your thighs. Draw the shoulders back. Spine and neck are long. We'll end our practice with 3 deep breaths. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked this practice, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Namaste.